Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with the DT8 Ultra smartwatch, and of course this time a special request, okay, asking on how to unlock the DT8 Ultra smartwatch as well as other DT8 series, okay, asking on how to remove the forgotten password. Okay, so we are going to demo on how to unlock your smartwatch, okay, if you happen to forgot the password that you set. Okay, this smartwatch, it has a feature for password security. Okay, it is also similar to other ultra watch clone in the market and other series 8 clone. Okay, so we are going to have a demo. So if you have any questions regarding this video and of course the smartwatch, just drop a comment below. Okay, so let's start. So we have here our smartwatch. Okay, so there's no password. Okay, so there's a password here. Okay, so we set the password here 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. So that is our security password. So you can set it here on the settings. Just go to the settings. Okay, and we have here the password. Just tap on it. Okay, you have an option to activate it or disable the smartwatch. So as you can see here, password switch, we disable the password feature. Okay, going back, let's see. Okay, as you can see, we disable the password. Okay, you can also set it. Okay, let us say we have the password 1 2 3 4. Okay, for passcode, going back. Okay, as you can see here, we do have, okay, the security. Let's try. Okay, we do have a password error. We cannot access the smartwatch. Okay, let us say you forgot the password. Okay, so what is the next steps? Okay, if you are still connected to the support app, you can just go to the support app and reset your device. If not, okay, all you have to do is just type in or key in the activation code for the password. So what is that, the activation code? Okay, the activation code is this one. Let's see. 8762. Okay, got it? Again, the deactivation code is 8762. Okay, so aside from 1 2 3 and 4, 1 2 3 4, that is our password. Okay, another one is the 8762. Okay, 8762. Then you can go to your settings. Okay, go to the password and deactivate it. 8762. Okay, password switch off. So that's it. Very easy to deactivate your your DT8 Ultra smartwatch. If you want to set it again, just go here to the settings, go to password, switch on, then set your own password. Okay, let's see again. See, we do have the password security here. Just enter your password and you can navigate on your smartwatch. Okay, again, if you forgot the password, 8, just type key in or just type 8 7 again, 8 7 6 2, and it is now deactivated. Okay, or you have a temporary login to your smartwatch. Just go here to the password and switch it off. Just type in 8762 again, and the password is switch off. So that's it for our unlocking the DT8 Ultra Smartwatch password protection. That is if you happen to, okay, forgot, not remember the password for your DT8 Ultra Smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding this video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.